What's up, you guys? It is Jericho. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a foundation review, more like a first impressions because I'm not doing a full in-depth like wear test or anything like that. I'm just doing a review on my initial thoughts on the Bobbi Brown. It's got a long name. It's the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation, and it's SPF 15. And this is a matte foundation, y'all. So anybody who's an OG subscriber on my channel knows that I love a matte foundation. But I've also been leaning towards natural foundations too, because by the time I'm done powdering it up, it don't even be like natural anymore. It comes off matte. So the fact that this is already matte is right up my alley because I love a matte face. I don't like dew. I don't like being shiny. I don't know what it is. I just don't like it. It doesn't mesh well with me. So I love me a good matte foundation. So we're just going to go ahead and get into the video. I'm not going to talk to you guys forever. I'm so excited to do this review. And if you want to see my thoughts on this foundation, then keep watching.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you.
All right, you guys. So we are starting with a bare face. Nothing's on my face because I want to use everything that they sent me for this review. Well, actually, they sent me these products so I could do a reel on Instagram, but I'm realizing that my toddler misplaced something. I don't know where the item is, so I'm trying to contact to figure out if I can do the review or the reel without that one little product, because I probably wouldn't use it anyway. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this review. So first of all, they didn't ask me to do a YouTube video, but I decided like, hey, I got an item that I can use for content, so I'm going to use it. So anyway, this is the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15, full cover, oil-free shine. So this is a matte foundation. I was not aware of that. And y'all, if you're an OG subscriber, you know I love matte foundations. Matte foundations are my go-to. Even though now as I get older, I'm leaning towards matte and like natural finishes. I don't like dewy. But there is some dewy foundations that I have reviewed that I made matte, with powder, because I don't like a shiny face. I like a natural looking face. I don't like the glow from within type look. I don't really like that. So I don't like looking greasy. Let's just put it that way. So anyways, I'm going to read the disclaimers, or not the disclaimers, or just what it says. But it does say a 16-hour breathable natural matte coverage. It says our 16-hour skin true undertone correct formula is designed to look as good as it feels, delivering a natural matte, real skin finish that's comfortable, breathable, and weightless, ideal for normal to oily skin. And it says it visibly minimizes pores instantly and strengthens skin's barrier over time, hydrates while instantly helping to conceal redness and discoloration, helps keep excess oil and shine in check, making it a perfect foundation for oily skin. And then it says stays color true for up to 16 hours. We ain't gonna be wearing it that long. We're literally just doing a initial review. So they sent me the foundation, the vitamin enriched face base, the skin full cover concealer, and then they also sent me the color corrector. But my baby has apparently gotten a hold of it because I can't find it anywhere. Watch, after I do this video, I'll find where she put it. I checked all her little hiding spots that she normally puts things, and I don't see it. So I really don't know I really don't know what she did with this thing. So that's one thing. But I also got this brush from Refi, I guess that's how it's Refi foundation brush. So I don't know if I'm going to use it for this video or not. I haven't decided. This is a stippling brush, and then this side is like a dense brush. So I really don't know. I need to look up more information about it. But yeah, so I thought this was a really cute brush. Saw this on TikTok. TikTok just be influencing me, okay? Like, TikTok be influencing me. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I've been hearing about this product for a really long time, and I'm glad that I'm getting a chance to try it. So I'm just going to use this primer. I'm not going to use any of my normal primers that I normally use for my foundation reviews. I'm literally just going to only use this. So, ooh, I don't know if y'all can see this consistency or not, but ooh, it's really creamy. I like, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my face. Oh, Oh, I'm liking this already. I'm liking this already. First of all, the smell. It smells really good. Ooh, that is really, oh, that feels so good on my skin. Ooh, I really like that. I really, really, really like that. Ooh. Oh, I love that. Like my skin, y'all. Ooh, yes, that was everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the foundation first, and I'm trying to say, do I want to use this? I think I'm gonna use this brush. So I got the shade Natural Golden. I picked the shade online. So when I seen the request, I had to pick the foundation color myself, and I have a horrible time with picking my foundation shades. Like if you watch my channel, you just know that this is just a struggle that I have. So I did it online, and I did the best I could, and I got the shade Neutral Golden, and I can already tell that it's a little too dark, but we're just gonna make it work. We're just watch the video, okay? We'll make it work. We'll get it together. So I'm gonna put this on the back of my hand, and I'm cringing because I just know that it's too dark, but we're gonna make it work. And I just feel so weird because I haven't used any other primers, and I'm just not used to this. So we're just gonna put that on my face. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. I probably should have got me a makeup wipe, but we're just gonna go ahead and put this on. Ooh, maybe I didn't do so bad. Ooh. You mean to tell me I picked a foundation shade online and it's the right shade the first time? Yo. So now I'm wishing that I did have the color corrector just to see if it would have covered my dark spots that I have on my chin area from plucking, but we're still gonna, it covers them though. Like my dark spots aren't that dark, but they do be getting pretty dark. So whew, yeah, I just did one side of my face. That was just one side. It looks like skin. It looks like skin. Y'all can't even tell I have it on. Wow. Can you guys see like the shade match? For me to have picked this online, I am not complaining. So I'm shook. I just can't believe I got this right. What? All right, so the next product that I'm going to try is the Bobbi Brown Skin Full Cover Concealer. Like I said, I can't do the color correcting because my toddler misplaced, and I think I had that in the shade Deep Bisque. I'm so upset because I really, really, really wanted to try that because I don't usually color correct on my channel, so that was kind of like something exciting for me. But anyways, I'm going to do my normal routine. This ain't gonna be a full face of Bobbi Brown because I don't have everything. I only have what they sent me. So this is in the shade Almond. Yeah, this is probably not the best match, but we're just gonna see. So this shade Almond seems like it has like a peachy undertone to it, or a pink undertone. I need to look that up. I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour with the Juvia's Place stick. Like I said, this tutorial is not gonna be all Bobbi Brown because I don't have all Bobbi Brown stuff. I'm gonna use the other side of my brush to do my contour. It wasn't the best shade color. I was trying to, I like to pick something that's a little bit lighter than my skin to hide that area, but it actually doesn't look bad. So I like the concealer, even though I'm not necessarily a big fan of the shade that I picked. I like it. And since we're not going anywhere, I'm not going to do the normal steps that I do. I'm just going to go right in with the Laura Mercier powder. This is the translucent powder and the talc-free version. I'm just going to go ahead and bake. a little bit. And I'm just gonna use my beauty sponge. I'm not doing no extra steps, trying to save time. And while that is baking, I'm going to go in with bronzer. For bronzer, we're going in with the Juvia's Place Bronze Palette in Tan. I love this palette. It is my go-to for bronzer. It is my go-to. You see how it just added warmth to my face? Like, we love her. We love her. All right, so there's that. I feel like I'm getting done with this really fast, and I don't know. Something's, I gotta be missing something because I normally don't get done this quick. All right, and I'm going to wipe it away with my Ruby Kisses powder brush. I really need to get some new products, but your girl been getting free products, so I've been really using the products that I've been being given to save money. Yes, we're just gonna wipe this away. Okay, now we're just gonna do our lashes, and I don't feel like putting on falsies, so I'm just gonna use the Essence Lash Princess and apply this. Y'all, I'm just blown away by this foundation. It's a perfect match for me. All right, highlighter. All right, we're gonna do blush first. We don't normally do blush. We're gonna do blush. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the Merit Beauty blush. This is in the shade Cheeky. I know you're really supposed to apply blush with your finger, but I like applying it with a brush, and that actually looks really cute. Who am I liking blush? Something's weird. Something is weird. Okay, now I'm going to go in with highlighter, and I'm going to use my tried and true highlighter. This is the Morphe Mirage. I've been using this on my channel for years. I don't even really need to announce it because y'all already know what I'm going to use. It's the same thing I use in all my videos. So we're just going to apply it to the like top part of the cheek, and then right there. All right, you guys, so I am done with my whole face, and I am loving this foundation so far. I'm loving it. It went on really creamy and smooth. The shade match. Now, I ain't went in the bathroom yet, so I can always feel like I can tell how it really looks when I go in the bathroom. So as of right now, it looks like it matches perfectly. So if y'all see me looking in the viewfinder, that's just me trying to, you know, see how it's looking. But from what I can see, it looks pretty good. So let me know what you guys think, because like I said, you guys always be telling me like, girl, I don't know what you're talking about. It looks like it matches, but me in person be like, I can see it with the naked eye, and the naked eye doesn't lie. So it may look like it matches on camera, but then it doesn't match in real life. But this one matches, and I am shook that the fact that I picked it online from a sheet that they sent me, and I got the right shade. I'm shook. Maybe I'm getting better at this. I know I'm not. I know I'm really not. All right, so sorry about that, y'all. Like, my EOS utility just shut off out of nowhere, and that kind of threw me off. But that's what I was saying. Like, so far, I'm loving this foundation. It is definitely matte. My skin looks good. And I didn't even do like my skincare today, y'all. Like, I didn't do it. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I did not do my skincare. So I know if I had, it would look even better, because skincare is the #1 way to have flawless foundation, is to prep your skin first, like with your cleansers, your toners, moisturizers, things like that. And it just shut off again. Like, what is happening? Anyway, so if I had done that, I know it would look even better. But I am loving it, y'all. Like, this is just the first impressions. I'm going to end up doing a wear test eventually, once I determine that it really does match, because I'm trying to go out in public looking orange. But so far, I love it. I don't know how long this foundation has been out, but I'm so glad I got a chance to try it. So thank you, Bobbi Brown, for selecting me for this campaign to do this video, not this YouTube video, but to do the reel. And that's why I decided to go ahead and make a YouTube video about it, because Why not? I absolutely love it. I love matte foundation, so this is going to go into my collection, especially on days where I'm like really trying to be full glam, which is not on Sundays at church because I'll be having time to do all that in the mornings. I don't be wearing foundation at church, but I am loving this. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. If you like it, have you tried it? Do you like Bobbi Brown Cosmetics in general? Because this is my first time trying anything from their line. And I also know for a fact that I am in love with this vitamin enriched face base. It's my new go-to primer, y'all. This is amazing. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok and Lemonade. Pretty much on all social platforms, it's the same, Jerikasyncere. So if you're looking for me on a platform, it's that name for everything. That way you can find me on whatever it is that you're looking for me on. And my blog is www.jerikasyncere.com. And that is it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.